Swami, are you listening? She left. She changed now. Hey, roll number 4 is looking different. Shruti Bhinge. Whether Swami was from our class only. Can somebody reply? Himani Swami was a student from our class.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then why she left and why her roll number was 4? I'm finding roll number 4 was different. Shruti Bhinge is there.
Sir, my roll number
Yes,
is
sir.
22.
22 था क्या? So why you kept your yes? Why 04 something?
सर वो पहले का सेटिंग था ना इसलिए.
Okay. चलो ठीक. Please keep everyone that same format using by that Shivani Atkale. TYA01 Shivani Atkale like that. It's easy for finding for me. Okay. So this was the strength for the previous lecture. 39 students are there. Yeah, still they are coming here. Amol. And please, while giving the numbers, don't put your numbers in chat box directly. I will call the number, then you have to put the number in that. Okay. This is a good way to put the give the numbers, because if somebody is putting number in between, it is quite difficult to recall the numbers who is absent, who is present. Is it okay? Sure, we'll start it now. So previous lecture, just in morning lecture, we had discussed syllabus and things of that practicals. This was the practicals, and last 4 3-4 practicals. Network issue was there. It's Zoom was stopped working. So recall the last 5 practices based on the our PIC controller is there, and the last practical is, as I said, that depends upon the industrial project is there. One project can perform on that. Okay. And textbooks to be used for this book for the basic introduction of the 8051 control architecture programming. It's Kenneth Ayla is there. Okay, of Paranam International 3rd edition. And then best book I can say out of this is Mazdi. Muhammad Ali Mazdi is there, and maximum part of instruction programming. Too many programmings of assembly as well as the C-level programming of the 8051 is given in that. So 8051 control and the embedded system by Muhammad Ali Mazdi is the book is there, and the soft copy of book also along with me. I will share that book also with you, so you can have a reference of that also. Then for the design of the PIC controller, we have the John Pittman Pearson edition book is there. And for the PIC controller also, we have the same book of the Mazdi, Muhammad Ali Mazdi, that is PIC controller, microcontroller and the embedded system. Then for the controller, microcontroller application, the programming is there maximum in that. Ajay Deshmukh's book is there. These are all the textbooks used for the your subject PIC and 8051. Then reference book 8051 microcontroller programming and the practice by Mike Pedico. Data sets of MCS family and PIC family 16F77A. Maximum for the PIC we are using the data sets also. So all the things are there in that. Then 8051 microcontroller by Stott, McNeese, Rathel and the Fan. It is a book of the reference book also. And the design and the customizing of PIC microcontroller by Mike Petco. Okay, the first book was 8051 and the second is PIC by same author. These books are there for the reference purpose. Okay, so once we are finished with the syllabus, then we'll go with the actually what was then our syllabus, starting with the COs and the POs. We look out of that first. Okay, this is the first CO. We have seen just outcomes also. Still, we have elaborated these COs in our as per our way. So first CO is there. Describe the fundamental features and the operation of the 8051 microcontroller. So this will give introduction of the fundamental basics of the 8051. So once chapter number 2 will complete, we'll see this outcome is achieved or not. Means you are able to give the features and how controller operates. All this thing means this outcome we have achieved. Second outcome, develop and practice assembly language or C language programming techniques for 8051. Means what? Simple addition, subtraction, block transfer up to the data transfer to the memory address, then interfacing, some push button programming is there that you should be able to write in the C as well as in the assembly language. And interfacing of other IO devices, stepper motor, LCD, keyboard, all these things should be interface with a various IO and the peripheral with 8051. This is the third CO. Then fourth one and 5 is for the PIC controller. Illustrate the various core and the features of the PIC controller 16F7 877A. And the last, describe various communication protocol used in the PIC 16F7 877A controller. Okay. So this CO should be achieved. Then we can say that you have got all the concept of 8051 as well as the PIC microcontroller. Then we'll start with our first chapter, that is introduction to the microcontroller 8051. So as we said that, please keep some pages to write about syllabus of our subject, and then we'll start with the actual our chapter number section first with the point number first in that. Okay. So have we kept some pages for that? 2-3 pages for writing syllabus? Somebody reply.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And the next from that, write down the next page after keeping that. Chapter number first, introduction to microcontroller 8051. Introduction to microcontroller 8051. I am requesting all the students, please take what I am saying here, because I want a screenshot of all of what you have written. I am asking in the week 2 times, 3 times. Or sometimes I'm asking to open the camera and show me notebook like this also. You should be able to show it me. Written? Have you written title of chapter? Okay. Chalo. Then as per the PPP format, we have the first point, C 1.1 about outlines of the chapter. You can see syllabus of our subject. Write down next point under this chapter, C 1.1 syllabus. I can say, rather than seeing here outlines, I can say syllabus of chapter. So in that you have to write this introduction, then difference between the microprocessor and the microcontroller, then difference between the CISC and the RISC microcontrollers, and then different types of architectures of the microcontroller. Only small 2-3 points are there. 1 to 2 hours chapter is there, small chapter. Okay, done. Please don't join the late. Huh? Ankita, why you are late? Ankita, Bansode. Done with the first point, C1.1 syllabus. Mahesh,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Atkale, roll number 1. I'm taking the roll numbers in randomly. Yeah? Roll number 1 is not there. Shivani. Means she has kept somewhere mobile. I'll put absent if I'm calling number and students is not
Yes,
replying.
sir. I'm present.
Yes. So I am taking the random numbers in that. That's why. Madhura is there. Kalpale Madhura. Roll number 7. Okay. Pawar, Suhas Pawar, 44. Suhas Pawar is there or he's not there? Okay.
Yes, sir.
आहे. ठीक है. So we are done with the first point. We'll go with the next. Chalo. Next C1.2 talked about the MCQs and assignment questions are there. So I'll provide the soft copy of this. It's not required to take it. All the MCQ and assignment questions buffer. We have the soft copy of it. I'll share it the study material link as well as I'll put in the our WhatsApp group so you can take it and start writing the assignment. One chapter is starting. One bit is over. We should go with writing one question on that. It's too easy. Rather than taking the burden at the end. Simultaneously, whenever certain point is covering, we should go with the writing of that. Okay. At next point, see 1.3 about title of chapter. Written in that the chapter name consists of two words are there. Introduction to microcontroller 8051. The chapter name consists of two words. TWO, two words, WRDS, two words. First word, introduction. Second word, microcontroller 8051. Okay. So in the first name, introduction, right in front of dash. What is the meaning of introduction? Will tell me what is meaning of introduction. So first question always asking about when we go for the interviews. Introduce yourself. Correct, na? So what we're doing in that? We are talking about ourselves. We are talking about ourselves. Brief idea of that. Means introduction means what? Getting information about thing, person, object, anything. That is meaning of introduction. Means getting known about or getting information of anything. That is person, object, device. That comes the under introduction. Clear? Clear, Sarvanna? Hello.
Yes, sir.
So right in front of that, introduction dash getting idea or information about person, object, thing, etc. Done?
Yes, sir.
Okay, chalo. Next word is there, microcontroller 8051. I think you have written this dash. So once we divide this word, as I said that micro. So below that we can write. So whole word microcontroller is divided into two parts. Write down. The whole word microcontroller is divided into the two parts. Micro and controller. Written? So first, if you divide this microcontroller in the two parts, that is micro and the controller. What is micro means what? Micro means small, tiny, comes on chip. That is the micro. And also we can say, if you talk about operating speed, clock speed of this 8051 in the microsecond. Okay, but name is not coming out because of that clock speed. But micro looks like what? Very small and the tiny, comes in the half mm by half mm size. All this thing. That's what is a micro. So write dash micro dash. What to write? A small or a tiny object. A small or tiny object. Object or device. Chaitali Shinde joining now. Why? Chaitali Shinde, are you there? Shinde Chaitali. Hello. Who is Shinde Chaitali?
Yes, sir.
What is your roll number?
Sir, 20 roll number.
Okay, why you are late?
नाही सर, मी अगोदरपासून होते, रेंज असल्यामुळे मीटिंग बंद झाली होती.
Okay, okay. चलो ठीक. Because I admitted now, I think you are late. That's why.
नो सर, मी लेट नाहीये.
Okay, okay, chalo. Done. Micro is done now. So second and that half part of that word, that is controller. So what is the meaning of controller? Will tell. Hello. Control means what? Device which takes the action or controls the output based on the input given. That is the controller. And so if we talk about any task, I said that what? Once I entered in the classroom, automatic light or fan should be on. How to do that? That depends. So we have to enter the sensor. Means it will find the presence of an incoming person, and automatically through the relay it will drive the fan or tube. So output is what? Fan or tube must be on. Input is what? What is the input sensor we are connecting? So depends upon the condition, it will take the action. What is action? Making the tube or fan on in the classroom. So controller is a device which takes action or controls the output devices based on the input condition. That is the controller. Clear now? Correct? Hello? Or should I repeat? Write down. It is a device. It is device which takes action or controls the. It is a device which takes the action or controls the output. Controls the output based on the input condition. Based on the input condition. Done, written? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The next point is C1.4, that is central idea of chapter. So as you said that only 3 to 4 points are there. So in this chapter, students will learn about some basic concepts of the microcontroller introduction, then difference between the microprocessor and the microcontroller, and difference between the RISC and CISC machineries, and last difference between the different architectures, that is von Neumann and the Harvard architecture. This is simple central idea of this chapter. Okay. Next point, C1.5, importance of the chapter. So why this chapter is important for the third year students? Because now third year students are totally unknown to this topic that is called as the microcontrollers and its application, that is subject title MCA. In that, the first chapter is a introduction to microcontrollers. So student must understand the basic concepts of the microcontroller and difference between the microcontroller and the microprocessor. First thing. Okay, the students must understand the basic difference between the what is processor and the what is controller. First thing, and how they are classified according to the type of architecture. Means where is the program memory, where is the data memory located. Based on that, the classifications are there. That is the Harvard and the von Neumann architecture. And the last students must get idea of type of instruction set used in the controller. So in the controller, we have the CISC type instruction set, and the processor we have the RISC. Sorry, totally I was wrong. CISC in the microprocessor and the RISC in the controller. So that's why the chapter is important for the students to understand the CISC RISC type of architecture, all these things. And the last point, the C1.6 outcomes of the chapter. So you have to take this point, write down. C1.6 outcomes of the chapter. Write down the first outcome. First outcome. To understand the basic concepts of basic concepts of microcontroller based on type of architecture. Understand the basic concepts of microcontroller based on type of architecture. Written. Over, first is over.
Yes, sir.
Okay, second outcome in that first chapter, differentiate different features of the controller. Differentiate different features of microcontroller. Differentiate different features of microcontroller. Done. Over done. Written last outcome. Differentiate the different features of the microcontroller. Over.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll go with the next. Write the next point in that. Next point under that, we can write introduction or need to learn microcontroller. So you can write introduction only, no issue in that. Next point in that first, introduction. So under that, we learn about meaning and the definitions of the microcontroller. So thing is that, as just written in the first part, title of chapter, I divided this word microcontroller into two parts. The first part, micro means small or tiny object. So in this case, it is IC. And the controllers means device which control the task activity. Okay, means control the output things based on the input given or condition. That is meaning of that. And if you talk about a definition of the microcontroller, so microcontroller is the core computer system which has a different input output devices, and based on the crystal oscillator connected, it starts working on that. Simple semiconductor chip, the meaning of that works on the what is the clock signals are given, it provides the different output. That is the definition of the microcontroller. So too many definitions are there, we'll see one by one also. The first part is definition. The microcontroller is the core computer system. So it looks like a computer. So it can form the computer by user defined programs. It acts like a computer system. The second word is nowadays many communication systems and digital entertainment portable devices are controlled by the things. And so if we talk about communication, all the mobile phones, we have the ARM-based microcontroller is there in that. Then all the digital entertainments, maybe digital TVs, all these things, or portable devices, or smart watches are coming. All this are designed with the help of the microcontroller. Means we are controlling all these things. So you can see just now some students are on all maximum students are wearing that smart watch, which will give the pulse rate and all this thing for that person. So inside we have the that pulse sensor attached here, and depends upon pulse input given, and controller in that smartwatch displays the pulse rate of that person who is wearing that device. Okay, such things, all things are controlled by the controller. So designer should know what type of components he need, ways to reduce the production cost and the portable product are make the reliable. Okay, means as per the application needed, what type of sensor input devices were required and what should be output we required. So we have to select all these devices as the at minimum cost. So overall project cost will be very small. Okay. So out of this, we can write the definitions of the microcontroller first. the first part I done this. Microcontroller is the core computer system. Then second definition I will define. Written. First, a microcontroller is a core computer system. Second definition. So, don't write these last 2 points. I'll dictate that definition, second definition. I done. Next. A microcontroller is clock driven semiconductor chip, clock driven or driven, clock driven, driven semiconductor chip a microcontroller is a clock driven semiconductor chips which controls the different tasks based on the input provided. Microcontroller is a clock driven semiconductor chip which controls the different tasks, output tasks based on the input condition. Written. कौन सांगते मला definition? Who will tell definition? Hello.
Yes, sir. A microcontroller is a clock or driven semiconductor chip which controls the different output tasks to input condition.
Correct. Good. Chal, so this is the part. We'll go the next. Okay, so I had taken some picture in that. How will be there in that? Okay. So micro consists of the, as I said, that definition of the embedded system. You can search anywhere. So it is a combination of the hardware and the software designed for a particular application that will define the embedded system. So embedded means what? Inserted. So what we're inserting here? We're inserting the code in that. The process is there, burning, writing the code in the IC with the help of the software is there. We have the FlashMagic software. And once we written the code in the KLC software, the hex file of that will be generated, and that hex file, by connecting the JTAG cable here, we can burn that hex file code binary file in that IC. And after that, this IC act what the code we written that. Simply, when we put this push button here, all these are the push buttons are the connected, and this is our controller IC. And to which the pins are connected, the output ports are there, all these things. Okay. And here I interface output device that is called as a LCD, and that I am displaying the names. Anything I can display, characters, all this thing here. So electronic hub, I taken the image from that. And various driver ICs are there along with this. And here what we're looking this steel or metallic chip, I can say it is a crystal oscillator of the 12 megahertz, nearly 11.0593 megahertz crystal is connected. Always try to remember that. At pin number 18 and 18 and 19 pin number is for the crystal oscillator. Have you clear? So all this part, I can say it is a hardware part. So what we are looking through our eyes physically, it looks like all the hardware part, that is the interfacing to the controller. And what is software means what? What is inside this IC writing in the program memory that act like a software part. Clear? Have you got this concept? Software, hardware, what is that? Hello. Have we got
Yes,
two
sir.
definitions? Hardware means what? Software means what?
Yes, sir.
हा, काय सांगताय? कोण सांगेल मला? Okay, write down below that. I'll tell, no issue. If something is if not recalling, please tell me. I will repeat that part. Chalo, write down below that. The any project by using the microcontroller. Write down. Any project by using the microcontroller consists of any project by using microcontroller consists of hardware part and the software. Hardware part and the software. And that defines the embedded system. And that defines the embedded system. Okay, below that, hardware dash. Below that, what is hardware means what? Physical components required. Hardware means what? Physical components required to design the project. So what we are looking in this PCB, all things are the hardware components, or also called as core components. Hardware dash physical component required to design project, including controller, IO devices, push buttons, sensors, power supply, jumpers, PCB, all these things, any component. Written? Hello. What about hardware? लिहून झालंय हार्डवेअरचं?
Yes, sir.
Okay, next software. Then next what? Software. Is written order how to deal with the inputs. Language थोड़ी difficult है, but I'll tell in simple way. Software means what? To drive all these hardwares, including controller, the software code is written. The software code is called as the code written is called as a software. Okay, means the set of instruction to drive this hardware is called as a software. Write down. A set of code or instruction, set of code or instruction written to drive the hardware component. Set of instruction or code written to drive the hardware component called as software. For example, just wait, we'll go with the not KEL4. I need KEL3 software. To run our projects, we need the KEL3 softwares. Okay. So how to use this, I will tell afterwards. Okay. So what is the code written here? काय यामध्ये? Starting address is org00. Doesn't matter. This is our code actually. What is this? Move A,0 #3. So this is called as assembly programming. So I'm taking this data. Simple I had done the addition programming. So what is addition? Addition of two numbers. Number is 0, 2 and 0, 3. So I am making this is comment. It is called as comment. We cannot insert like this anywhere. So I'm making the addition of the two numbers 2 and 3. So to this make addition, I have the registers A, B, R0, 2, R7. So I taken A and B. So I taken the move means what? Transfer. Okay, processing, data processing. So this 3 I am inserting at the hash indicates the data. If hash will not there, it like the memory. Just look here what I'm sending the 0, 3 into A register, and 2 to the B register, and then I'm using the add directly, add A comma B. So here I'll get A is equal to A plus B. This is the comment I'm putting here, and here I'll get the comment B is equal to 0, 3 data, and here in this case I'm getting A is equal to 0 reverse way 3 data here, and 2 will be here. Got it? Means I'm making the addition, and addition this is equal will be 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. We'll see that. So this is called as a set of code or instruction I'm writing, and once I'll create this hex file, all this thing, and I'll burn in that IC. That IC will act as a adder, so we can put any number, it will be start adding the numbers. So we have the process debug first, and then we have the run option is there, start and stop debugging. So here is the option to run. So I'll put the step by step. So we have the step by step is F11. So I'll push F11 here. So you can check first the data will become in the A. See here, at this point you can look here. What is coming in the A register? So addition, we have the various register R0 to R7 to make this operation. A, B, stack pointer, PC. All these are the registers for this. The first instruction was what? A equal to 3. So data is transferred in the 3. Are you getting? Hello? हे कळतं काय चालू आहे ते मी सांगतो ते हॅलो हॅलो इज इट विजिबल माझा आवाज येतोय का
येस सर
कळते काय सांगतोय मी थोडं हे होईल स्टार्टिंगला कळणार नाही सो जसं म्हटलंय आपण व्हॉट इज हार्डवेअर अँड व्हॉट इज सॉफ्टवेअर आता ह्यामध्ये हार्डवेअर काही नाहीये पण व्हॉट इज सॉफ्टवेअर I'm showing you here. So we have the Kale software is there for writing the code, and what is code I written here for making the addition of the two numbers. यात काही लोड घ्यायचं नाही जास्त स्टार्टिंगला मी सांगेन हे आपण करणार आहे नंतर प्रॅक्टिस यावरती सांगतो फक्त and once we written the code I am executing that simulation, and as per this code A register is located here. I am getting the value 3 in that A register. बघा next step F11 putting the B मध्ये तर 2 येईल. See B is equal to 2 here. And after this add A comma B means what? A will becomes 5 now. A is equal to A plus B. Previous A value was 3. 3 plus 2 5. So answer A with 5 will. So I'll put the next F11 C here. So code is executed. So this is making the addition of the two numbers. Clear? Kale? Hello. That defines the software code. So writing the software code for that to drive the hardware. Then this is also simulation diagram. Here I am controller is there. I am interfacing input devices. Keypad is there. And output device display is there. Also push buttons are also interfaced. So this forms the input as well as output device along with the controller. And if you talk about controller, what is inside? So it has the CPU. As we have the computer system, it requires the central processing unit, that is CPU. It acts as ALU. IO devices. It has the ports. These are the IO ports for this. Address bus, a data bus to control that. So this what is when I'm sending the data out, it has the data bus. and through the when I'm accessing memory, it requires the address bus for this. So it has the address bus also of 16-bit, data bus of 8-bit. And when data is coming inside or going outside from the memory, it requires the RAM and the ROM memory. RAM is the data memory and the ROM is the program memory or the instruction memory. It has inside that timer, counter, interrupt, serial port. All these thing features are there in that 8051 IC, and this is forms with the on-chip devices. All these thing inside. So I am taking this because we have to see the difference between the processor and the controller, because processor doesn't have this all IO devices inside that, means timer, counter, memories, address bus, data bus, all these thing. So this is simple basic diagram of microprocessor. We can draw it first. I'll tell that part. Starting with the microprocessor. Right, next point under this microprocessor, and draw this diagram. Once over, please tell me. Over, diagram is over. Hello. This diagram is over. Hello. Hello. My voice is audible? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This diagram is over. Draw kilega diagram.
Yes, sir.
So this is simple diagram of the microprocessor. So what is it that you can say? This is part of the microprocessor. Only it has a CPU. Okay. But what are the devices I connected? As I said that RAM, ROM, IO port, timer, serial port, counter. This I am interfacing externally. So it is not inside this IC. Means we need to connect these devices required devices, ROM, RAM, timer, IO ports externally to the this microprocessor IC. That's why the microprocessor doesn't have the no inbuilt. Inbuilt is what? On chip. Inside this IC, it doesn't have the RAM, ROM, IO devices, timer counters. This is the first difference in case of the microcontroller and the microprocessor. Means no on chip, these devices require devices. It has data address bus separately. And some examples are there of microprocessor. Intel 886, 8085, 8086, 80386, 286, too many are there. And what is our computers are there? All these are the microprocessor. So you can see that we have other motherboard and we are connecting the separate RAM memory 1 GB, 2 GB to that. Okay, that IC doesn't have the on-chip memories. And also timer counter also don't have the on-chip. We are connecting with the through the OS. It has that devices. So have you got this difference? Oh, sorry. First point, what is microprocessor? Definition same. It is semiconductor driven chip controls the output devices based on input condition. But microprocessor difference is that this IC doesn't have the on chip or inbuilt these devices, which this RAM, ROM, IO port, timer, counter, watchdog timer, ADC, DAC doesn't have anything in the on chip IC. It has simply CPU and ALU unit inside this device. Clear? Kale? Hello. Have you got this? What I'm saying that? So if you want more clear, I'll go with one more slide. It is there. Whether this okay, this slide is visible. This is the first picture in that. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is in that? First part is a microprocessor and second is a microcontroller. I'll zoom out to understand this, you people. So in the microprocessor only how internally what? CPU. And CPU consists of what? Control unit, a register and the ALU only. It don't have the other devices such as IO port, timer, counter, RAM, ROM, these memories inside that. Okay, means basically microprocessor doesn't have the on chip and in that IC all these devices which is required for the controller controlling purpose. But in case of microcontroller we have on chip. On chip means what? Inside that IC we are designed with the controller with the IO ports, timer, counter, RAM, ROM, memory, watchdog timer, serial communication ports, all these things it is there. This is the first basic difference in the microprocessor and the microcontroller. An example I told that microcontroller is what? What we are studying 8051, PIC controller, ARM controllers are there. In case of microprocessor, 86 families, Intel processors are there, 8085, 8086, 80386, 486, too many are there. Now I think you're clear. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
And then we'll go this the difference in all this thing from the next lecture. Okay. Now we'll stop it here now. But so you need to put the numbers as I'm calling here now. Chalo, put the number, roll number 1. Like you have to put the numbers every time. Please try to remember this. Roll number 1. Put your number 1 first. Roll number 1 is there. 2. First. Number 2. Bandkar Arti. Absent. If that student is not putting number, I'll put here absent. 2 absent. Number 3. 4. क्या मनता है? Who is that person? Roll number 4 is there. बिंगे, हाँ 5, 6, 7, 7 is absent. Rutuja, not 7 Rutuja, Janvi, absent. 8, Dekne, Rutuja, 8 is there, absent. Chalo 9, next number 10, 11, 10 is absent. Joshi Gayatri. Okay, 11, 12 is there. 13, 14, 15, 13 absent is 13 है. 15, 15 absent. 16, 17, 18, 19. Don't put in between numbers. Kashid. 20, 20 is there. 21, 21, 22. Swami.
Present, sir.
Put a number, madam. I am asking here to put a number. First. 22, 23.
Sir, 32 present.
Arey yaar, I am taking the roll number as sequentially. Don't put in between. Tell me, Kashid. Your turn will come here. 25, 26. Go ahead. Good. Next students. 6, 7. Go ahead first. 8, 9. 29. Absent. Ahead. My God. 30, 30. Okay, 30. Good. 31, 32. Now put your Kashid number. 33, 34. 34 absent. 35. 36, 7, 37 absent. 38, 39, 38 also absent.
Sir, present, sir.
38 absent. 39 is there. 40, 40, 41, 40 absent, 41 absent, 42, 43 absent, 44.
Yes, sir.
Put a number. Just you have to put the number. Don't take yes. First. 44. 5. 6. 7. 48. 49. 50. 48. Absent. 49. Absent. 50. 51. Over. Sure. So today's number of absents are 2, 7, 8, 10, 15, 34, 37, 38, 40, 41, 43, 45, 48, 49. These are the
Hello, sir.
absent students.
45.
45 present.
Sir, 37 also present.
Whether you have put your number?
Yes, sir.
37 you have put. Okay. Who else? 45 present. 2, 7, 8, 10, 15, 34, 38, 40, 41, 43, 49. Okay. Done? Sure.